Today I'm teaching you the best American idioms that you can use in your conversations to sound like a native American speaker. Hi, I'm Majid, and today I'm going to teach you and dear Sam how to talk like a native American speaker. So without further ado, let's go. Hey, I'm worried, Sam.
Why?
Because I've got a lot on my plate today.
Oh, what does it mean?
I've got a lot on my plate today. It means I've got a lot of tasks to do today. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make it or not. Say you're gonna make it.
You're gonna make it.
Yeah, but yeah, I've got a lot on my plate. Plate is something you like eat,
Yes.
and yeah, when you've got a lot on your plate, it means you've got a lot of tasks to do, and you're gonna get nervous and these kind of things. Yeah. So an American does not say, "Oh, today I have a lot of tasks to do, Marianne." No. Yeah, he or she will say, "Oh, I've got a lot on my plate today." This is an idiom, basically, and you can use it to sound like a native speaker. So use it. Say it. I've got a lot on my plate today.
I've got a lot
On my plate today.
on my plate today.
Now say it like with each other, like in one try. I've got a lot on my plate today.
I've got a lot. No.
I've got a lot
I've got
on
a-
my plate today. I've got a lot on my plate today.
I've got a lot of on my. No.
No, not a lot of. I've got a lot, like the end, on my plate today. Say, I've got a lot on my plate today.
I've got a lot on my plate today.
Yeah, better. On my plate. Good. But it's my is correct, but it's like New York accent. My plate, yo. No, it's just like Southern accent. Yeah. But mom in New York accent is like ma. Hey ma. It's not New York accent. It's like Italian English accent. But yeah. Do we have Italian English?
No.
No. But it's like people from Italy, hi, that they speak English. They're like, hey ma. Like, yeah, okay.
Shorts.
Yeah. I'm so tired. I'm hitting the sack early tonight.
What does it mean, teacher?
I'm hitting the sack. It means I'm going to sleep. When you're hitting the sack, you're going to bed. I'm going to bed early tonight. Yeah, I'm hitting the sack. Hit the sack, go to bed. Like, say, hit the sack.
Hit the sack.
I'm hitting the sack early tonight.
I'm hating.
I'm hitting. It's like hitting. Yes, it's hit, but you don't say hit. You say hit. Hitting. I'm hitting the sack early tonight.
I'm hitting the sack.
Not heading like going. Hitting.
Hitting.
Yeah, I'm hitting the sack early tonight.
I'm hitting sack.
The sack.
The sack.
Early tonight.
Early tonight.
Yes, I'm hitting the sack early tonight, yo.
I'm hitting sack.
The sack.
The sack.
Early tonight. Yeah, I'm hitting the sack early tonight, yo. I'm so tired. Oh. Good night.
Bye.
Your friend calls and you're gonna say, I'm coming now. You say, I'm coming, okay? You don't say, I'm coming. Yes, you can say, I'm coming, but it's better to say, I'm on my way.
On a way.
I'm on my way. But you don't say, I'm on my way. No, you say, I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Not my way, my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way, Daniel. I'm on my way.
I'm on my way, Daniel.
Not Daniel, but you can say, I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Not way, it's what? W. Way.
Way.
Remember that I told you? W pronounces like W. V pronounces like V. It's a watch, not a watch. It's a watch. Okay?
Okay.
So, I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Again, you
Way.
said way.
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 Yeah, it's like w.
I'm on my way.
Not my.
I'm
My.
on my way.
Not my. It's like something between. I'm on my way.
I'm on my way. No.
Yeah.
I'm on my way.
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 Yeah, you're gonna, when you say it like a lot, it's gonna sound ridiculous, but you have to practice and you're gonna make it, I'm sure. Let's take a break for lunch. I'm hungry.
Let's break.
Let's take a break for lunch. It means let's rest and eat lunch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's take 5. It means let's take 5 minutes off. Let's take 10. Let's take 10 minutes off. Let's take 10 for lunch. Okay, let's take 10 minutes off and rest for eating lunch. Yeah. So, are you hungry?
Yes.
Yeah, same here. Instead of saying me too, you can say same here. Yeah. Or for example, your friend is, sharing his opinion on a subject with you. You're gonna say, yeah, I agree. Instead of saying I agree, you can say, yeah, same goes here. Same goes here.
Same goes here.
Same.
Same.
Same goes here.
Same goes here.
Or just same here. Same here. It means I agree. Me too. Yeah, same here.
Same here.
Yeah. So let's take 5
Let's take 5
for lunch.
for lunch.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So today I'm gonna hit the gym after work.
Hit the gym?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the gym, not hit the gym. This is the gym. Like, no.
What is that?
Gym, it's like I'm going to go visit the gym and exercise. I'm gonna hit the gym. Yeah. I'm gonna off the gym. I'm gonna hit the gym. It means an American speaker does not say, I'm going to go to a gym. No. I'm gonna hit,
Why?
because it's book English. Yes, it is true. It's formal. It's not wrong. But in your day-to-day conversations, basically, they say, I'm gonna hit the gym, not I'm gonna go to gym.
Okay.
Hit the gym is more American. Yeah, so you can say, I'm gonna hit the gym. Say it.
I'm gonna hit the gym.
Hit the gym. No,
Hit
I'm
the
gonna hit
gym.
the gym.
I'm gonna hit the gym.
Yeah, it means your intonation is so important when you're pronouncing a word in a sentence. You should pronounce it like perfectly, intonation-wise. Like, I'm gonna hit the gym, not I'm gonna hit the gym. No. In Korean or like in Japanese, they are going to raise their voice at the end. For example, I don't know Korean, but it's something like something like this. But in American, they don't talk like this. Basically, they raise their voice at the beginning of the sentence, but not always, like I said, basically. But yeah. In Japanese too, they raise their voice, I think, at the beginning. Something like this, but like in Korean, like they talk like with their hands, like they're not gonna hit you, but they're talking with their hands. I'm just saying, in every culture, they talk with a different tone, different format, and different posture, different gesture, and you should learn these things too. And the good news is, I'm gonna teach you. If you just stay here, and if you guys just watch other videos, just like this one. Yeah. So, yeah, just no one gonna tells you these kind of things just here. Just MJ gonna tells you this. So, yeah. It's like Should pay me more, I think. $100 an hour is not enough. Should pay me something like 20,000. No, I'm just kidding. Just messing with you. I'm just messing with you. An American does not say, yeah, he will say, I'm kidding, but instead of saying, I'm kidding, he'll say, hey, I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you, it means I'm kidding. Okay, so, see, when I talk, I'm like, I drown into my thoughts, and I go under the water, and I talk like nonsense for hours and hours and hours. I mean, I'm not a talkative person, but am I chatty? Am I talk too much?
Chatty, what is it?
Chatty, a person who talks too much. Am I talking too much?
Yes.
I'm the teacher. You should say no, professor. No, teacher.
Sorry,
I
but
mean,
yes.
where is the respect? You should say no. I'm enjoying. I'm using. Okay. Today, a bunch of bad things happened to me. I mean, from the morning just until here, I'm just trying to get through the day.
Bunch of what?
Bunch of bad things, but I'm just saying, I'm just trying to get through the day.
True today?
No, it means I'm just trying to pass today. I mean, I'm try today to end. So yeah, I'm just try to go through today. So say it. When you had a bad day and you are, for example, you want to say that, hey, you just want to pass today. You just want today's to end. You can say, I just want to go through today. I just want to. I just
want to
go through today.
go through the way.
Go through.
Go through.
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 Not through. Th.
Th.
Th. Th.
Okay, please repeat sentences.
I just try to go through.
I just try
To go
to go through.
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 You're saying through. No, your tongue should be behind your teeth, like th. Yes, better. I just want to go through today. Today.
I'm just go try to.
I just want
I just want
to go through
to go through
today.
today.
Today, no, today.
Today.
Yeah, through.
Through.
You say suru, it's not suru, it's through.
Through. No.
Your-
Through.
Where's your tongue? Is it like here? Yes, exactly, between your teeth. Th.
Th.
Don't move it. Th. Say th.
Can I say F?
Not F. Say s, but your tongue should be like here.
Through.
No. Where is your tongue? Just show me your tongue. Your tongue should be here. Here.
Okay.
Don't move it. Don't move. Say s. Don't. You're just moving your tongue. Not th.
I can't.
Say. I know it's gonna sound like ridiculous, but say it. Yeah. Through.
Through. Through.
Yes, but it's like you're whistling. Don't whistle. Through.
Through.
You're gonna make it. I'm gonna give you practice. Do this in front of the mirror, like for 5 minutes.
Yes, I
So,
should try.
yeah, and try. And for the next session, I'm gonna ask you this. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you.
teacher.
Thank you. It's
You're
not.
welcome.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna go for just 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take care of some stuff.
Stuff?
Yeah, some stuff. It means some things. I've got some things, like some stuff. So I just gonna handle them. So stuff in English, in American English, or just English. When you say stuff, you can use stuff for anything. Everywhere that you don't know what to say, or just forgot the word, you can use stuff.
Like something.
Yeah, like something. Yeah, give me that. I just wanna tell you about those things, but I'm gonna bring you that stuff. Yeah, like it's like things, but it's like you can touch it, visible. You can use stuff
Okay.
for touchable and visible things. Yeah, you can use stuff. It's not a stuff like Russian, no. Stuff.
Stuff.
I said it like a Russian. Stuff, yes, stuff. It's like you're saying it's tough. Life is tough, but stuff, not S stuff. At the beginning, it has like S, it's not S tough, no, stuff.
Stuff.
Stuff, yes, exactly. That was all about today. Make sure to watch other videos as well. It's, come on guys, free English class. And try to send this video to your friends that help them to learn English as well, just like you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Come on, maybe not today, but one day, someday, you're gonna need it. Okay, thank you. And write me in the comments, where are you from? And tell me, what do you want to achieve in learning English? I'm gonna just tell you what to do to reach your goal, okay? Just right now, write me in the comments. Thank you, have a great day, bye.